Hello guys, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a fixed play when you touch an object in Roblox Studio. You can use this for mines, so whatever you want. First, you need your part. I'm going to name this effect part. Effect part. Okay, this is a good step. Then you click script. So you do script.parent.touch. We're going to connect that to a GCF. We're going to connect that to a function. We're going to do player. If player.parent.find for child humanoid, then we're gonna do this. Local explosion equals instance.new dot explosion. Local explosion. Not local, we don't need that actually. We just need explosion.parent equals script.parent, then explosion dot for this. I'm gonna show you that. By the way, by default, the explosion effect will do damage. So I will show you guys in a second how to turn that off. But if I log on this part, not that part, a different one. Let's find out what part I was talking about. This one. Down the ground. Yeah, not that one. Why is there a line? I don't know. Anyway, so when you touch it, as you see, as it does nothing, that is exactly what we want it to do. Okay, bam. That's what we wanted it to do. Now, as you see, I have a force field, but usually it deals damage. Then, make sure you have this. I do not feel like going oil again. So that's how you do it right. If you don't want it to do damage, then we're going to do explosion. Stop. Explosion dot blast pressure equals 0. Don't change the blast radius, just change the pressure. Now, as a quick little extra, I'm going to show you how to add a debounce. Local debounce equals false. Now we're going to do this. Debounce, by the way, debounce is just a delay. It's just a random delay. Equals. We're going to do and debounce equals false. So if the debounce equals false, then I'll run. Now we're going to set debounce to true, so it doesn't run. Then we're going to do wait maybe 2 seconds, and then we're going to set debounce to equal false again, so there's no debounce, and then bam. Now if you look what happens, we sprint on along, hit her apart, walk on it, bam, and you can destroy the part. You can do whatever you want with it. This is just how you add explosion effect in Roblox Studio.